Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and do this motor flush. I'm going to go ahead and enter this into my crankcase here. Instructions. Check to make certain the oil in the crankcase is up to safe level. Add motor medic, motor flush to cold engines before changing the oil and filter. Idle engine at normal speed for 5 minutes. So we need to put this in. Idle the engine for 5 minutes. Do not drive the vehicle. Motor flush will circulate through the entire lubricant system of your engine, dissolving sludge, gum, and varnishes from engines and oil pans. It also frees sticking valves and rings. Then you drain the crankcase and remove oil filter. Replace drain plug and install new oil filter. Alright, I got my funnel here. I'm going to add this here. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so I put this motor flush inside the engine, the whole thing. Now I'm going to turn it off for 5 minutes. Alright guys, so before I turn on my vehicle, I put the cap back on, make sure it's tight. Now I'm going to run it for 5 minutes. Alright guys, so I ran the engine for 5 minutes. I turned it off. I used a timer. Now we're going to go ahead and drain the oil.